right, look, meme coins are here to stay. Obviously, they're here to stay and they will evolve. You're gonna see a lot of traction in meme coins after the president of the United States of America launched his own meme coin, as well as the first lady Melania launching her first meme coin. So meme coins are gonna make a presence in this bull market and they're gonna onboard a lot of new users. The problem is that getting into meme coins, especially if you wanna get in early, it's kind of hard. I mean, other meme coins are on different chains. You have to go into different contracts. It can get confusing, especially for people that are new to crypto, especially for the no coiners, the normies out there. How are they gonna get into meme coins? Well, there may just be a solution. It's called Memex, and this is outstanding. It's brilliant. It's genius. We're gonna be talking about it. So make sure you pay attention because we're starting right now.
Hey guys, I'm Brick with Fans. Remember, Paul is not a financial advisor, but he is good looking. Also, this is not financial advice. Please subscribe down below and check out my channel at Brick with Fans.
Hey, welcome back. My name is Paul. If it's your first time here, this channel is all about crypto, all about cryptopreneurship. And in this video, we're gonna be talking about meme coins, specifically how new people will be onboarded to meme coins. Listen, meme coins is the easiest way to get into crypto. You just buy it on an exchange and that's it. But the way things are evolving with the meme coins, they're on different chains, there's different ways to get them, how to get them early and so on. It becomes a bit hard for new people. It becomes a little hard for normies, so to speak. So how do we get these people into meme coins so they can get into crypto so that crypto will grow as a whole? And yes, meme coins is an excellent solution for this because it's easy, fast, simple, but when it comes to buying specific meme coins, it gets a little hard. Well, Femex, the exchange, Femex Exchange has a solution. It's called Memex. And look, Femex is quite genius when it comes to this because they thought, listen, how can we get new users into memes? So as you can see here, now you have spot margin and Memex over here. And you can actually buy meme coins on different chains and they will do all the work, all the hard work for you. So now new users can get into meme coins that are a bit harder to get into when they launch, so they can benefit, so they can learn more after that. So what is meme trading? And here are the key points which are really cool. First of all, no wallet is required. You trade directly into your spot account. So essentially, new users don't need to make a Phantom wallet, don't need to make a MetaMask wallet. They can just do it through the exchange. Now you may say, Paul, yes, but this is counter to crypto. You have to have your own wallet. You have to do this. You have to do that. Yes, I understand that, but they're new. Remember when you were new, it was actually quite hard and overwhelming. Well, this is a solution, and then they can learn over time. And the people that don't want to learn, they don't want to learn. It's okay. There's so many people coming into crypto that you're going to get users, you're gonna get power users, and you're gonna have normies, but at least they get the chance to get into crypto, which will amplify and grow the industry. So then you have no exchange listing needed. You just gain access to unlisted meme coins. So a meme coin does not need to list on an exchange. Femex gives you the power with Memex to buy crypto meme coins without it being listed. So you could have gotten to Trump before it got listed. You could have gotten all these meme coins before they got listed. This is revolutionary. This is excellent. This is mind-blowing. I actually think this is genius. By the way, real quick, my link is in the description down below for you to sign up to Femex. I'll talk a little bit more about that later. They have a lot of surprises. They actually are officially sponsoring my channel, my live streams, not this video, but they are sponsoring my channel, and I'm really excited. I'm so excited with Femex. The link is in the description down below. Let's go on and we'll get back to that in a second. So you have Onchain Holding. Femex holds the coins on-chain on your behalf. They actually hold these meme coins. So they have custody, yes, all that, we understand that. But this is a great solution. It's not like futures or anything like that. They hold the actual asset, which means they're buying the asset, which means they help meme coins price go up. Of course, a lot of these deals might be OTC, but it doesn't matter. And I think they do it also with market. So I think there's a mix of both, or it will be a mix of both if not, but it doesn't matter. This is a great solution. Now, you can only buy with USDT. Purchases and sales are made exclusively with USDT. I love USDT. USDT is one of the best stable coins ever developed. They don't have the audits, but they have the backing. They've been around for a while. They know what they're doing. And I do think USDT is very safe and more decentralized than other stable coins. Now, one thing you have to keep in mind, there's no withdrawals. You can't withdraw the meme coin, so you can only sell them to USDT. So this is a trading platform. So if you want to then hold the meme coin in your wallet after these new users learn that, hey, you know what, you have to have your own wallet, you have to hold your own crypto, not your keys, not your crypto, they're gonna start making wallets and they can slowly get into it because they're gonna see all the benefits and the money they can make or lose trading these things. So over time, this will make them into power users. And then it goes into step-by-step on how to actually do this, and I will leave this linked in the description down below so you can check it out for yourself. So basically, Femex is moving forward with meme coins. I really think this is, look, I was a marketing director of a crypto exchange. I've been in marketing and sales and consumer psychology for over 25 years. I've written books on these things, and I think that what Femex is doing here is very, very smart. They are going forward. That's why I'm telling you right now, you should sign up to Femex Exchange. And yes, there is an affiliate link in the description down below, or should I say referral link, because I am going to be working with them. I'm super excited. And I want to show you a short video about Memex that explains it a little bit better. And then I want to talk to you a little bit more about something very important. So make sure you stick around. This is like a 20-second or maybe 1-minute video so you can understand more about Memex in case I just went a bit too fast explaining everything and you want a little bit more information. So check this out. We'll be right back.
If you want to quickly catch the hottest assets on Solana, but find the process of cross-chain transfers or wallet connections frustrating, then you need to try Femex Memex. With Memex, there's no need to connect wallets, no need for transfers, no need for cross-chain transactions. Seamlessly purchase assets on the Solana blockchain with ease. Go to the spot trading section and find Memex. If this is your first time visiting the Meme Center, a disclaimer will appear. Carefully read the terms and conditions, acknowledging the associated risks and responsibilities. Click Confirm if you agree to and accept the disclaimer. Once inside the Meme Trading Center, browse the list of meme coins or search for a specific coin by name or contract address. Click on the coin you're interested in to view detailed information, such as the price chart, trading volume, market cap, and other relevant data. Ensure you have USDT in your spot wallet. Meme coin purchases can only be made using USDT, with a minimum purchase amount of 1 USDT. Enter the amount you like to trade and review the transaction details carefully. You can adjust the USDT or token percentage to trade, and slippage can also be set manually. Once ready, click the buy or sell button to finalize your transaction. After purchasing, click the transaction history icon in the top right corner of the Meme Trading Center. Here you can view past trades and monitor ongoing transactions. It's important to note a trading fee of 1% plus gas fees apply. Gas fees are determined by current network conditions. Meme coins cannot be withdrawn. You can only sell them to receive USDT. Experience the seamless Sex-to-Dex user experience today with Memex.
All right, so Memex on Femex. That's what it is. I think this is great. I think everyone should open up an account on Femex. By the way, if you are in the US, yes, there is a way to still have an account on Femex, and you can actually even apply with your Palau ID if you want to go on a higher level. So go ahead, check out Femex, sign up. I think this is going to be a great exchange, and it would really benefit you having an extra exchange ready in this bull market. And if you want to know more about Femex, make sure you watch this video right here. This is me going over Femex, why I'm excited about it, why I am personally using it, and I will continue to use it. Make sure you check out this video, and I will see you in the next one. Take care.